Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The top 25 famous countries and their capitals are there. The first list is there, and you can see the first list. The first country in the first list is America, and the capital of America is Washington DC. The second country is Iran, and the capital of Iran is Tehran. The third country is Indonesia, and the capital of Indonesia is Jakarta. The fourth country is Canada, and the capital of Canada is Ottawa. The fifth country is France, and the capital of France is Paris. You can see the second list. In the second list, the first country is Italy, and the capital of Italy is Rome. The second country is Norway, and the capital of Norway is Oslo. The third country is Pakistan, and the capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. The fourth country is Scotland, and the capital of Scotland is Edinburgh. The fifth country is Turkey, and the capital of Turkey is Ankara. Here you can see the third list. In the third list, the first country is Bangladesh, and the capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. The second country is China, and the capital of China is Beijing. The third country is Cuba, and the capital of Cuba is Havana. The fourth country is Mexico, and the capital of Mexico is Mexico City. The fifth country is Japan, and you can see the capital of Japan is Tokyo. Here you can see the fourth list. In the fourth list, the first country is Maldives, and the capital of Maldives is Male. The second country in the fourth list is Poland, and the capital of Poland is Warsaw. The third country is Russia, and the capital of Russia is Moscow. The fourth country is Serbia, and the capital of Serbia is Belgrade. The fifth country is Sri Lanka, and the capital of Sri Lanka is Colombo. Here you can see the fifth list. In the fifth list, the first country is Switzerland, and the capital of Switzerland is Baden. And the second country is India, and you can see the capital of India is New Delhi. The third country is Nepal, and the capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. And the fourth country is Norway. The capital of Norway is Oslo. The fifth country is Bermuda. And the capital of Bermuda is Hamilton. Thanks for watching this video. If you feel this video is informative for you, then must you like this video and never forget to subscribe for more videos. Must click on bell icon to check the updates daily. Thank you so much.